This is Dubai American Academy, and the recording is made by a first grade class, 1SG. They're singing Go Tell Aunt Rhody. You might even hear some harmonies as we sing through the song. Enjoy!